As parents, you dream of seeing your child reach for the stars, whether as a life-saving doctor, a skilled engineer, a creative artist, or even a renowned scientist. But to nurture these dreams, we need a school that offers more than just academics.
FIITJEE Global School is designed to shape young minds holistically, balancing academic rigors with life skills, physical fitness, and creative expression. Here, we provide an ecosystem that empowers every child to explore, excel, and succeed.
Our journey began 30 years ago when FIITJEE was founded with a vision to create an ideal launchpad for serious FIITJEE aspirants. Today, FIITJEE has grown into a globally recognized name, helping students reach top ranks and succeed in diverse fields.
From leading roles in Fortune 500 companies to position in national services, our alumni are the proof of the transformative education that FIITJEE provides. At FIITJEE Global School, we bring the same dedication to every child's journey, which is aiming to unlock their full potential.
At the heart of FIITJEE Global School is a commitment to total academic excellence. With the blend of experiential learning and personalized guidance from expert educators, we kindle curiosity and encourage critical thinking in every student.
Our innovative teaching methods inspire the students to go beyond the textbooks, ensuring deep understanding of the concepts and real-world application. It's education that prepares them not only for exams but for life.
Communication is the key to future success. That's why we prioritize all-round communication skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. With opportunities in public speaking, debating, and multilingual proficiency, our students gain the confidence to express themselves clearly and effectively.
A sound mind in a sound body. That's our philosophy. We integrate physical fitness as a core discipline, encouraging each child to take up a sport. From badminton to archery, our world-class facilities and partnerships with top sports academies nurture athletic talent and build character.
Value shapes who we are. At FIITJEE Global School, we instill a deep sense of cultural pride, empathy, respect through regular workshops, excursions, value-based activities, helping students to grow into their responsible and compassionate leaders.
We understand the importance of balanced mind. With practices like yoga, pranayama, and meditation, our students learn lifelong habits for physical and mental well-being, guided by seasoned yogis and mental health experts.
Our goal is to cultivate a winning attitude. With mentorship from behavioral experts, we help our children to overcome stress, embrace positivity, and foster resilience, qualities that propel children to reach great heights.
Our diverse activity clubs, robotics, literature, astronomy, music, and more. We provide every child with a chance to explore their interest, develop skills, and form lasting friendship. It's where learning becomes joyful and personal growth takes flight.
At FIITJEE Global School, we are not just preparing students for exams, we are preparing them for life. By enrolling your child here, you are giving them a foundation that will empower them to dream, grow, and lead.